Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First thing you're gonna do, go to WhatsApp, and as you can see we have disappearing messages, and you want to undo and make normal messages again. You can just go to this contact. If only in this contact you have the disappearing messages, you go to tab info, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna find this disappearing messages button. Tap on it and choose off. But if all of your other chats have disappearing messages, go to your settings by searching for your three dots on your top right corner of this device. Choose settings, go to privacy, scroll down, and you will find default message timer. It may be like 24 hours or 7 days or 19 days. Like if you choose 24 hours, all of your new chats will have disappearing messages. So if you want to undo it, go to privacy and set off. That will make your messages not disappear and they will again be normal. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in the next video.